If you are looking to make life a little bit easier, or you're looking for smart, low energy tips to live a little more gently, you've found your people. I'm Larissa, and I started this channel while I was recovering from a brain injury when I was feeling really isolated and overwhelmed. There wasn't a lot of concise, practical information out there about how to actually live while healing and what to do to make healing easier. I remember sitting on my sofa after, my 5th doctor's appointment that week. I was too tired to cook. I was too foggy to clean. I was too anxious and upset to actually nap and rest. And I just wished someone would get it. One thing that really helped me was learning how to simplify things. Making life easier frees up brain space and energy for healing. So I started figuring out ways of doing things that made life easier. And then I started sharing those things with other people, hoping that I would make life a little bit easier. And it turns out that a bunch of you were looking for the same things that I was. On this channel, you will find tips and tricks for making life a little more doable. And I'm talking easy recipes, cleaning hacks, grounding techniques, tips for parenting a child with a concussion, and tips for choosing what matters, what doesn't matter, and how to make it a little easier to let go of the things that can fall by the wayside easily. I also share low energy DIY projects so that you have something calm, comforting, and creative to do on low energy days. Some days are really tough, but there's usually a way to make them a little bit lighter. And this is not just about watching videos. It is kind of about support on demand. Drop in whenever you need to. Leave a comment, reach out, connect with people, and know that you are not alone. Our community gets it. From chronic pain to injury recovery, from MS to a broken leg, from stress at work to overwhelming family obligations. We are all experiencing different things, and we are all in this together. And if you happen to see a little whiskered face sneak into the frame, that is Libby, and she takes her role as feline editor of the Concussion Crew very seriously. Whether you are navigating recovery or just trying to live life a little more gently, hit subscribe and join the crew. Let's make life a little bit easier, one small win at a time. And if you're up for it, say hi in the comments. I would love to hear your story too.